We're getting ready to go to the off-road park tomorrow, but the problem with the bike as it is, no Spark Arrestor in it. So when we bought the bike, we ordered the FMF Turbinecore 2, and buried inside there is a Spark Arrestor. So we're going to put that on here today, but first, before we do that, want to kind of do some sound decibel checks. So we're going to stand back about 3 feet, check idle, mid-tones, and some revs. All right, Liam, fire it up. Okay, that is idling on the stock pipe. When I say go, Liam, I want you to give it some revs. Drown me in smoke, go. Okay, so we're getting drowned in smoke. A couple notes on here is that bike came pretty rich from the factory. We just put in Amsoil Interceptor since he does a lot of trail riding. I put it at 40-1. They say 50-1. The bike's jetted for 30-1. I split the difference. I've turned the pilot screw in a half turn, but it still feels like it's running a little rich. We're going to find out. Now, by putting on the FMF pipe, I'm anticipating that we're going to go even a little richer if it's more restricted. So I'm definitely going to have to change the jetting on the pipe. So today's tests are really just live and in person. So I'm going to go ahead and walk around the bike one more time with the GoPro, let them rev it so you can just hear the sound of it stock. And then we're going to repeat all this with the new pipe on. Hey, go and rev it some. All right, let it idle. Let's get that other pipe on. Okay, so there's a quick difference between the stock pipe and the FMF. I mean, they're pretty equivalent. Just reuse this guy right here. I am going to put a little bit of an exhaust gasket sealant around it. Just got to take this rubber bushing out, stick it here, bolt it back on. I'm not going to film all that. This is really easy. This is a really simple swap. So we'll get these swapped over, fire it back up, and see how it sounds. Okay, got the FMF on. Put a little exhaust sealant down here. I changed the air filter. But anyway, okay, button it back up and get it fired up. Okay, there it is. Looks good. Too bad it's hidden so much, but there it is. That's a pretty factory replacement. All right, before we do decibels, let's just hear it. About the same noise. Rev her up a little bit. Okay. Needs a little more poppy, a little more crackly. Rev it a little. We are louder. Okay, rev it up some. Okay, go and stop. All right, based on that, it is louder at idle. It doesn't appear to be too much louder at full speed. So that's kind of interesting that the stock pipe was quieter at idle. But we now have a Spark Arrestor, so we are legal. Okay, I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a to be continued. We're going to the off-road park tomorrow, so we'll do a couple hot laps there. But it does sound good. Do you like it? I like it too. Watch him go. So as far as the pipe goes, no, it's not any quieter than stock, and it actually is louder at idle, but it seems to cap the high RPMs about the same, and it has a great sound to it. And there were two cops here earlier. Because somebody looked like had like a demolition derby car. They brought it out here, broke it, and left it. So they were tagging it to get it out of here, and it's just nice knowing that if they wanted to check us and look for the Spark Arrestor, we've got it. We're legal, so no concern. So if I had to, I think the Pro Circuit 296 would be a little longer, and it would get the noise down. This one, as you saw, was the same length as stock, and so we're happy with it. It looks nice. He's been kind of staring at it, and it's got a great sound to it. So we're happy with it. We're going to keep it. And see that? You can hear it. Sounds good. So thanks for checking this video out, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.